Wesley. Hello. This is Wesley. He's a 2-year-old Chihuahua who likes to give kisses and lots of love. We had to leave his cone on. He just got neutered and he can't seem to leave it alone. But he's a very good guy. I think he looks very cute with his cone on anyhow. Hey, where you going? Where you going? He's very lovable. Hello. Hello. Can we give some kisses? Can we give kisses? Oh, yes, of course we can. Of course. He's struggling a little bit to make his way around with this big cone on his head. Hey, get back over here. Get back over here. He's a good guy. He's a good guy. Whoa! Wow! Okay.